Hey everyone! Today I'm filming our question of the week, or day, I'm sorry. El dia. Hi, Miss Sarah. Our question today is, what do you like to eat? ¿Qué te gusta comer? So we're asking a question that we need an answer to. So Miss Sarah put a question mark. There's a question mark. And our question word is what? It's not who, and it's not where. So we can't eat a place. We might like the food at a restaurant, a place, like McDonald's. We might like chicken nuggets from McDonald's. But our question is, what do you like from McDonald's? Not that you like McDonald's. So what do you like to eat? ¿Qué te gusta comer? So some ideas that Miss Sarah came up with are, do you like fruit? Miss Sarah likes fruit. She likes bananas, fruta, plátano, vegetables, broccoli, verduras, pepinos. Pizza. Miss Sarah likes pizza. Do you like pepperoni on your pizza? Do you like cheese on your pizza? Miss Sarah likes jalapenos on her pizza. And pasta, that's another one. Pasta, spaghetti. What do you like on your spaghetti? Do you like anything on your spaghetti or nothing? So I want you to tell me today, what do you like to eat? ¿Qué te gusta comer? Let me know.